All right, part two of cutting for the legs. This time I'm going to show you how to cut these. Before, when we cut this one, we cut just away from the line because we could plane down to meet the line. For these, we're not going to be able to plane. There's no way you can get a plane in there. So we actually need to try and make sure that our cut is right on the edge of the line. So just touching the line all the way down, because it's hard to fix. It is possible that we could clean things up with a file, but it's not ideal. The trick is to try and get this cut in one go. What will help us is if we get our tri-square and mark across the bottom edge, like so, so that when we cut, we know that we're cutting at 90 degrees if we're in line with those cuts. So that's going to help us. Place that in the vise and place it so that you're cutting straight down. Much easier to do. And we'll simply start our cut. So trying to get that saw right alongside the pencil line. And I'm actually going to angle my cut. So I'll try and show you on the video what I'm trying to do here. So I'm trying to keep the cut right on the edge of the line. It looks like it's just starting to come away a little bit here, so I'm going to have to be careful as I continue the cut. And I'm cutting on a pretty steep angle, and that will help keep our cut at 90 degrees. Anyway, let me continue. Pretty much reached the bottom there. I just need to flatten out. Take your time this part because we don't want to rip splinters until the saw breaks through, and there we go. Now that was squeaking a little bit. If you're getting squeaking, it means you're probably twisting the blade inside the cut, either this way or this way. So try and avoid the squeaking. And we do two cuts like that. If need be, we have to clean up in here with the file, but aim to get the cuts perfect first go, then you won't have to file.